Hello, this is Saddam Hussain, a digital marketing consultant. I especially work with online business consultation, strategy development, and I was talking with my team that you were working with a few projects with my team, and you have started a new dropshipping business. And I was looking your social media website, the products and product-based layout, and I think we need a good consultation so that you can understand the challenges of dropshipping business and strategy we should follow to get success in your dropshipping store. Because in 2025, now dropshipping is very challenging. E-commerce business is highly competitive. So we have to take the decision and plan to develop a personalized and customized strategy that fit with your goal, the budget you have, and the product you have selected or the brand you want to develop. So I'll talk each and everything in this meeting, and you can ask me and explain what you consider and what you think about your product, your store, each and everything. Can you share the screen or video?
So for this website, we're gonna promote it, and I just wanna know like how you wanna start it with this. And one thing more, I also want like we can if we can add reviews from AliExpress or Alibaba to it.
Yeah, review will help better. So we should have reviews the product we want to promote. Okay, so all the product that we select for running ad, those
Hmm.
should have more than 30 reviews in every product. Another thing in product page, you should have the shipping and delivery information, shipping and delivery information. Also, like some other payment integration options so that they can buy with different payment method. Shipping and delivery should be highlighted. If also, how long does it takes to deliver a product?
Basically, maybe I know it's I'll say 7 to 8 days or maybe 8 to 10 maximum.
You know, one thing, delivery issue is very important. Usually in drop shipping, this is very challenging when a customer see that the product will be delivered after a long time, means 7 day, 8 day, or 15 days. So that time they skip to buy the product. When I talk about the product page performance, I mean how fast the product page is load, how people are visiting the product page. After visiting the product page, how many of them clicking on the add to cart, going to the checkout, and confirming the purchase. So there is a ratio we should follow. Understanding the product page performance is very important. Every journey we track and measure what is
Hmm.
happening after sending to your uh, product page. Okay, so after sending the customer to the product page, how customer is behaving and engaging with your product page. So
Hmm.
problem is not always with the ad creative or targeted audience and the strategy we follow. So problem may happen in many cases after running the campaign within 24 to 72 hours. We can understand where it performing better and where we should improve.
Hmm.
So for example, if I show you, um, wait. So after running the campaign in 48 to 72 hours, we first look the data called the CTR. Yeah.
Hmm.
If you have better CTR, that means the content we have, the ad copy we write, and the targeted audience we are using for the campaign that is performing better. If we find that the CTR click-through rate is very low, that means the campaign setup, the element we use in our campaign, they are not good. So usually in best performing CTR in the market that you are doing the business, it's like 2.5 or 2 or 3.5. So if you get 2.5 to 3.5 CTR, that is good CTR. But when it goes below 1.5%, that is very low performance.
Okay, okay,
Do you
got it.
understand? Do you understand the CTR?
Yeah.
Okay. Then the other metrics we should look for. So hook rate and hold rate. These are the key important metrics of your ad creative performance. Uh, let's talk about the campaign. This 11 February we run, and the hook rate is 19.78%. 19.78%. That means I am showing the ad to 100 people. From
Hmm.
100, only 19.78% stop scrolling while they watch that. This is the ratio. Okay. Facebook charts only impression. They don't care about how many of them are stop to scroll or visit the landing page, buy the product. They just show the ad and charge from us, right? As a marketer, as a business owner, our first priority is to develop high engaging ad copy and ad creative. Why this is very important? So if someone is getting 30% hook rate and we are getting 15% hook rate, they are getting the double result from the same cost because Facebook only charges impression. This is called top of the funnel. In all funnel and all stages, we run the sales campaign. There is no branding awareness or engagement or traffic campaign. No. So all are the sales campaign, but the strategy is that we run the sales campaign at the beginning, and we find many activities in your product page, and the second stage that's called MOFQ, middle of the funnel, where we run the retargeting campaign. And finally, that's called the bottom of the funnel.
Hmm.
For example, you have a good number of customer. Uh, they are leaving from the checkout page. Maybe they are considering the prices and delivery fee, shipping, and other stuff. So we create a special campaign for those people only who went to the checkout step but leave from there. So when someone go to the checkout page, they are interested and they need the product, right?
I can see I'm just checking this.
Okay. So when they go to that stage, that means they are interested on that. Then we create a special campaign for them, make it easy for them uh, for shipping, delivery, and prices with a special discount. So it's not for all; it's for only those customer who went to the checkout stage.
Hmm. Okay. And so how much budget do you recommend per day?
Okay. So when it say daily budget, it depends on many factors like how many products you are going to advertise and uh, how many steps you are going to follow, what content you have, and how many days we are going to run the campaign. So there should be a better planning. Uh, so if you have tight budget, like if you want to start with one or two products, and then we have to have a minimum budget of maybe like $40 for two products.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So I have explained so many things. I don't know
Hmm.
how much you remember and capture from my
Yeah.
explanation.
Hmm.
So can you summarize actually what you have understand from my explanation?
Like you have told me about the funnels, like the funnel and the strategies and the campaigns that you are using, and basically the structure of it. And this is a little bit that I have learned that you told me about it, that how it works. And let's see.
I hope you enjoy the meeting and what we explain and how we explain. Still, if you don't understand or forget anything, you can message me and my team. We'll answer in details again. Thank you for today. I will see and talk more things later.
Yeah, that sounds good.
All right. Have a good day.
Yeah,
Thank you.
all right. Thank you so much. I'll fix these things. And in case if I need your help in getting reviews, maybe you can help me in that as well, right?
Yes. Okay.
Okay, that sounds good.
Bye.
All right. Thank you so much.